Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Call of Duty Mobile CP not showing in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. After that, what you can do is head over to your quick apps, close all apps, and reopen Call of Duty on your device. If that does not work, then what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings and then tap on settings. From here, you can tap on apps, then you can tap on Call of Duty, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Call of Duty, and try again. If that too does not work, what you can do is head over to Play Store on your device. Once you're inside Play Store, head over to search and then search for Call of Duty. Hit updates to update Call of Duty to the latest version and try again. If that too does not work, what you can do is head over to your app drawer, search for Call of Duty, long press on it, hit uninstall and reinstall it on your device. One thing that you must remember is that if you recently bought CPs on Call of Duty, it may take a while for them to appear on your profile. You may also have to log out of your profile and log back in, which may be a quick fix. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.